Hello, boys and girls! Oh, come on, Trowbridge! Hello, boys and girls! Who are we waiting for tonight? Santa! Yeah! You think he's coming, boys and girls? Oh, yes, he is! That's our bit of pantomime for tonight. We've got lots to do. I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic man from 6 to 9. Every morning through the week, he's on Wiltshire Radio. Would you please welcome Graham Stevens?
On the best thing about Christmas. The thing I like so much about Christmas is on Christmas morning, setting up a video camera in the front room, hiding behind sackcloth and trappers, and then shouting instructions to my family to open the door and walk in. And just to see the picture on the faces of my children is just magic.
Merry Christmas from BBC Radio Wiltshire.
Hello, everybody! That's right, is that right? I thought he was Father Christmas for a minute. Remember, give him a big round of applause, it'd be great. Anyway, as you probably already gathered, I'm Graham Stevens, I'm from BBC Radio Wiltshire. It's very nice to see you all tonight. I have never, ever put the lights on for a town, a village, even apart from somebody's garden. This is the first time I've done this, and I have to say I'm really quite nervous. Do I get your support tonight? You know, the one thing I really have enjoyed about this evening is the fact that we have got snow machines here. How? Do you think it might be possible to have some more snow, please? Would you like some more snow? More snow? Let's have more snow! Oh my God! Did you? You know, I put it on one of my Christmas presents.
Like, watch out, I'm going down here.
What now?
Watch out.
There is a gentleman standing behind me.
No.
A very nice necklace. Can you see it?
Yeah. Look at it.
This is your mayor.
I knew it was.
Nice, everybody. How you doing?
Very well, Graham. Thank you.
Got the
Tell me about Town of Trowbridge. I mean, I've been to Trowbridge several times. I've never spent the night on. I've never been here on such a momentous occasion. What's it like here? Tell me a bit about the place.
Oh, well, you can see from the town here, we're all over the country. But it's a very good show. It's very good,
Yeah, so I understand. The thing is, I've realised that Chris, by the way, who I thought had a brilliant set for you tonight, isn't he good? Now, Chris, you're sort of like, not only do you perform, did you know how he got discovered? They didn't find him behind a bush. What happened with this guy? He is a technician. He's an engineer. And one day he went to the microphone and left his amplifier, as you do, testing, only he started to sing. And everybody thought this guy is great. Well, I don't know, what do you reckon? You've done this kind of thing before? No. Now, one thing that slightly worries me about tonight. It's a little bloke, red, yeah, I think you could be right, Father Christmas. Do you know something? In around about 3 or 4 minutes' time, he is going to appear. Now, I believe, if you all turn your heads round and face that direction, no, I just wanted to see you do it, it's all right, thank you. He is actually going to come from over there, and also I've been given to understand we've got a lantern parade this evening. How exciting is that? First person last is in serious trouble. Okay then, who wants what for Christmas? So, what about what do you want for Christmas? This on. But I understand that Chris over here has got the switch. Is that right, Chris?
Oh, sure,
Chris hasn't got the switch.
what?
He has got the switch.
Oh, sorry.
This is very good, isn't it? I've got to go home and do that, so I went to turn the lights on in Trowbridge and they didn't have a switch. It's going to be really bad news. Now, as well as of course, as you probably heard at the beginning, I do the breakfast show on BBC Radio Wiltshire, and I get up very early in the morning. Does anybody have any idea what time I get up in the morning? No? It's not a raffle. 4:30 in the morning.
Can we try it?
I'm shipping ice off my windscreen and I get to work. But it's not just me that works on the radio station. We also have somebody like Phil Davis. Now, Phil Davis is going to be doing the Rotary Club at Christmas. Now, after we switch all these fantastic lights on, you can get down there. You've got the band of the Wiltshire Constabulary. They've got the party. Now, do you think you can do that about 5 times for me, one after the other? Jump up and down, hands in the air. We love Santa! We love Santa! We love Santa! We love Santa! And a big cheer! Bigger than that, come on! We've just been told he's on his way, so let's wait for him to just come round the corner then. Now, let's go back to the Christmas present thing, shall we? I've mentioned the Nintendo DS. Does anybody... Oh, what? Xbox 360! Xbox 360! Bit of competition going on there, I guess. What about PlayStation Kelly? Do you know what I got for Christmas last year? I got an apple and an orange. Right. I wouldn't mind, but unfortunately it do take a leg out for me to get the orange. And apart from that, it's quite nice. I must admit though, that I love Christmas. I've always been a Christmas lover. I love switching the lights on in my own house as well. And in fact, we switch our own lights. But have you all got your lights on in your houses yet? Oh, bar humbug! Hands up those who put their lights and trees up already. Oh dear, do you think I keep Oh, hang on, Father Christmas is coming. Yeah.
Oh, that's my dad.
Let's have a go. Come on, let's make it Christmas. Hooray! I've been told that once this stuff starts to melt, it turns wet. That's true. Oh, you're going to have to wash your hair tonight, will you?
Oh, it's got in my ear this time.
Unbelievable. Hiya! How you doing? So, Father Christmas is on his way, and here he is! I can see him!
I can't.
Let's give him a big round of applause.
Right, they can't. Ow!
Yeah, Bella, watch out.
Oh.
I'm so excited, here he is. All those wonderful presents. I still don't understand how he gets all the presents out of chimney. That really baffles me. But I know that on Christmas morning when I wake up and I go into my living room with my 2 children, there I always find a half-eaten carrot, and some reindeer eaten, and stuff marks all over the floor. Last year he got it all over our carpet, it took us 6 months to get it out. Here he comes. Oh, yes, you'll see him. He needs to be near the front of the barrier. Oh, no, you don't. You can see him. It's all right. Brilliant, isn't he? The most famous old man in the world. Santa Claus, boys and girls! Ho, ho, ho.